Welcome back to another video by ZTC. Today let's talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind, cybersecurity salaries. There are various roles in the field of cybersecurity, each with its own responsibilities and corresponding salary ranges.
Let's discuss some common cybersecurity roles and their approximate salary ranges. Ethical hackers are cybersecurity professionals who are responsible for accessing the security of computer systems, networks, applications, and other digital assets to identify vulnerabilities. They perform authorized, legal, and controlled hacking activities to identify vulnerabilities and report them to the organization for remediation. The average salary of an ethical hacker is around 16 lakhs in India and $88,000 in the United States. Next is security engineer. A security engineer plays a critical role in ensuring the security and integrity of an organization's information systems, networks, and data. Their responsibilities typically include designing and implementing security measures, monitoring and detecting security breaches, etc. The average salary of a security engineer is around 8 lakhs in India and $120,000 in the United States. Next, we have the Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. The CISO is a senior leadership role responsible for overseeing an organization's information security strategy, policies, and programs. The CISO is accountable for ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of the organization's information and protecting it from cybersecurity threats. The average salary of a Chief Information Security Officer is around 76 lakhs in India and $186,000 in the United States. The next rule is about network security engineers. Network security engineers are responsible for managing and securing the connections and communications between devices and computers over the internet. They play a crucial role in implementing and maintaining security measures that safeguard network connections and ensure the protection of sensitive information transmitted over the internet. The salary of a network security engineer is around 6 lakhs in India and $101,000 in the United States.
The next role is that of an IT security specialist and an ID security specialist who collaborate with a team of IT professionals to create strategies and plans for safeguarding devices and systems within an organization against cyber attacks. They conduct assessments of the ID systems to identify potential vulnerabilities and work with the team to strengthen the security posture of the organization's ID environment. The average salary of an IT security specialist is around 12 lakhs in India and $112,000 in the United States. These are the various roles within the cybersecurity field, and there are many other roles as well. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to ZTC.